And we're up in the air. Once again, we're in Indian Land, South Carolina at the YMCA, flying the DJI Mini 4K. Is it a toy or is it a professional drone? Let's take it for a flight and I'll let you decide. Oh, this location right here is a future target set to be built, completed by October 2025, I believe. And you see that water tower over in the distance? Let's go ahead and fly over that way. So the DJI Mini 4K is a drone that's priced under $300. It's usually priced at $299 on Amazon and at Best Buy. Right now, I believe that's the only place where you can purchase it. And that road down there is 521. It's about 7 p.m. at night. I wish I had flown maybe an hour sooner. I didn't get the exposure quite right on the video. So we're going towards the water tower, and in this area is the old Indian Land High School. I have two daughters that went there, and we'll make our way towards the high school. Right down there to the right is a middle school, Indian Land Middle School. And there's the water tower, Lancaster Water and Sewer District. There's the baseball field of the previous high school, and the track and football field of old Indian Land High School. So we'll make our way over the field and then we'll turn and go in a different direction. So the DJI Mini 4K, is it a toy or is it a professional drone? Now, a few years ago, the FAA put forth some rules and regulations on flying drones. And you have to fly below 400 feet. And I have it set to reach a maximum of 393 feet. So we're below 400 feet, and it won't go any higher than that. And I'm going to go back over 521 towards this shopping center. There's a Publix grocery store here and a few other stores. But yeah, Publix right there. We'll turn to the right and go towards Collins Road. Now, about 20 years ago, I used to live on this road, and it has changed quite a bit. I used to go walking down here almost every day. I had a path set out, a 4-mile walking path. But we are going up Collins Road, and years ago, this was all farmland. I would go walking, and there'd be cows and pasture, really peaceful. And coming up, there's a housing development. I didn't even realize that this many houses have gone up in the past 20 years. And part of the farmland, I believe, was owned by banks, and they knew that housing would be a good future investment, and they sold the property at the right time, and I'm sure made a lot of money. So here we are going up Collins Road. A little bit further we'll come up on my old property. I owned 4 acres and built the home. I was a general contractor, and I talked about it in a previous video. And this is a nice area, or let's say it was 20 years ago when I lived here. Nice and peaceful. There's a lot of traffic here now. So we're going to be coming up to some high voltage power lines, and last time I flew over here it didn't affect my signal any, so I think I'm safe. So I've been flying about 6 minutes now, and I usually keep my flights around 10 minutes long for a couple of reasons. I want to make sure I have enough battery to get back. And I usually keep my YouTube videos 10 minutes or under. So there are those high voltage power lines. And we will soon come up to my house, my old house. And right after this row of bushes, this is my old homestead, and I planted most of those bushes when they were very small. Okay, we'll make a left here and kind of head our way back. We're at 7 minutes now. And I used to get very nervous flying far, because you don't want to lose your drone, and but I've had this long enough where I've made money on YouTube that has paid for it, so I consider it a free drone. And we're making our way back, and with the rules that the FAA had put forth, any drone under 250 grams is considered a toy. So DJI went ahead and made some drones, including the Mini SE series, Mini 4K, that are under 250 grams. Now, it's considered a toy, but the features on this thing are amazing. It's very stable. The video quality is very good. 12 megapixel camera. I mean, you pack a professional drone in the weight of a toy drone. So it's considered a toy, but I believe it's a professional drone. So right here I am experimenting with a screen saver, screen capture device on my iPhone, and I found out that it only records like 5 minutes, and then I thought maybe it would start a new file, but it recorded over the previous file, so I only have the last couple of minutes of the flight, unfortunately. So with the screen recorder I might have to look into purchasing a different one, because that's something I want to use in my videos, is especially when you're measuring distance. So anyways, here we are. We're coming back to our home point, and we'll swing around here. And of course, I thank you for watching. We hope to have a lot more videos to come. I wish I could just move everything over to a drone channel, but our channel is full of tech videos, vacation videos, and I really should separate them at some point. So we will bring her on in for a landing now. Thanks for watching.